Your warehouse might be losing money, and you don't even know it. Manual warehouse processes create serious problems. Inventory mismatches, picking errors, delayed shipments, poor stock visibility. Many businesses still rely on spreadsheets or disconnected systems to manage inventory, and the result? Lost sales and frustrated customers. Introducing MetaWMS, a powerful warehouse management solution built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. MetaWMS helps you manage real-time inventory, barcode scanning, serial and lot tracking, multi-location warehouses, automated picking workflows. With MetaWMS, you can reduce picking errors by up to 80%, improve warehouse productivity, get complete inventory visibility, scale operations with confidence. Stop guessing your inventory, start controlling it. Discover how MetaWMS can transform your warehouse.